Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Logitech MK270 combo keyboard. Alright, I'm gonna open it now. What I like about combo keyboards is that it just has one receiver that controls both the keyboard and the mouse. So right in the box, we are greeted with the keyboard. The manual is putting the rubber that the keyboard is in. Also looking from the other side to get the mouse out. So on the other side, as you can see, the mouse and the receiver are in. We have a receiver. This is a very small, tiny receiver. And then we have the mouse. So this is the mouse. Very small and then nice finish. It doesn't feel too premium, but it looks good. Feels good to use. And then here is the keyboard. I personally like Logitech keyboards. They do a good job. Okay, this has holes on there, I think for water drainage, just in case you spill water in. It seeps right through the holes on the back. It has a clean finish. Feels good to type. It has an on and off button right here. And it has additional keys for media control on the top here. At the back, we have the section for the batteries. It already comes with batteries in there, so you don't need to worry about buying battery. On the box, it says the battery for the keyboard lasts for 36 months, and then the battery for the mouse lasts for 18 months. Pretty good lifespan for the battery, and I think this is a clean, neat keyboard for average daily use. Nothing too fancy, quite simple for office use, and yeah. Keyboard. If you need a keyboard for your daily use, this is a go-to. And it's also quite affordable. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.